Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the fucking ground!
Today's video highlights the work of the Columbus Division of Police's Community Response Team. CRT is a specialty unit that focuses on high crime problem areas in the city. Their sole focus is proactive crime fighting. They do not respond to calls for service unless it's an absolute emergency. On February the 12th, 2024, at about 4:09 p.m., these members of CRT were watching a camera feed to an area known for drug and prostitution activity. They observed two individuals making multiple hand-to-hand transactions consistent with drug trafficking. These officers approached the two individuals, and that's where the video begins.
Let's talk to these cats. Gentlemen, good day. Hey, we got a couple questions real quick. Why, you look like you're gonna run. You got any ID on you, boss? You have a state of Ohio ID? No. You from Florida? Hey, why are you looking at him? Look at me. I'm talking to you, right? He's talking to him. So my question is what are you guys up to? Nothing? You just hanging out?
Not doing nothing.
Not doing nothing?
I'm not doing nothing. Relax. What are you holding?
7311. 7311. Give us another car. Sullivan and Central, running northbound, male black, gray sweats, blue pants.
I'm not doing it.
Relax. Relax.
Copy.
Why's your boy running?
I don't know.
Georgia? We got a lot of people saying you're dealing drugs. You got drugs on you? Stop. North on Central, run toward Garden Heights Apartments. Giorgio Craft, male black, gray sweatshirt, gray hoodie. He's running towards 1440 right now. Chopper, you're coming overhead. He's on the north side of the apartments, running westbound.
Chapter 3.
And he continued to go around out of property. Yeah, they come out of the stairwell there. Now he's coming back out. He continues to the west. Gray hoodie.
Hey, get on the ground now! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the fucking ground! Don't fucking rich for nothing!
Hey, Brady. Yeah.
7311, I got him. Taser deployed.
Yeah, he's got him on the ground. We need to get him that break. Want to get him back first.
Dude, you're fine. Do you have any weapons on you?
Hey, Wagon, yeah, if you get back in that left, right.
Sorry, let me use
Good job. Wagon there, I think they're going to
Heavy weapons?
to the other side of the fence. They'll be with you in a second. So far, everything looks still like he's okay.
Copy.
Yeah, for first coming in, the app's going to be at 1450 West Ridge. And ready to get 24 started.
Your medics are already in round. Are you in round 12?
That's 73, put me on that.
Copy, sir.
Mr. Kraft, you're fine, okay? You're fine.
Yeah, I got the name back here.
I copy 33 recovered. Was anybody else out?
Nope, we had two. I've got the one right there.
And lastly, is your crew secured?
Yeah, but everybody else wants to the other half.
I need someone to check that stairwell.
I copy everybody else. Respond to 7311.
1440?
Yeah.
They're calling us on channel 4. We'll go ahead and switch. Everything looks fine.
I copy. Thank you for your help.
Yeah, we got the other one too.
That's it up, man.
Hold on, man.
Shut down the next over here.
Almost.
Shut down.
For what? Your penis hurts? He landed right on it.
Thank you, bro.
Thank you.
No black. Bracelet.
What do I mean?
He's running for it.
I'm gonna tell you in a sec. You probably got nothing to worry about, right?
Something's coming over there. Westbound.
Chopper 3.
You can't search me for no reason.
Dude,
I'm not doing
my
that.
body camera's on.
Okay.
I'll ask you questions, okay? I have enough to
continued
contain
go
you.
around
I'm gonna
that
pat you
apartment. Yeah,
down,
they
okay?
I
come
didn't
out
do
of the
nothing,
stairwell
I
there.
didn't
Now
do
he's come back out.
What's this?
Continue
I
to the
didn't
west.
do anything.
Gray hoodie. Running westbound. These gray apartments right up here about almost south of Ridge. Looks like he's walking now. The officer's still trying to chase him. On the north side of the apartments.
I didn't do anything. This is a legal search. This is a legal search.
7311, got him. He's deployed.
This is a legal search, sir. This is a legal
Yeah,
search.
he's got him on the ground. He's working with him to get him in custody. There's a unit right anywhere close. We want to be able to help him get him back to the cars.
What's
Either
the string
drive around
attached to
to
it?
the other side.
I mean, what's it attached to
He'll
on
be
the
with you in
gun?
a second.
It's a whole.
So far, everything looks still like he's okay.
Hey, just to advise, the one I got detained back here, it's got a 33 on him.
I copy 33 recovered. Was anybody else out?
We just had two. I've got the one directly behind the Safeway.
SA.
Go ahead.
Say, I've been around out there. Do we have that stairwell secured that he went into during the foot chase? Yeah, I'm checking it now. He didn't beat a him off the wagon.
What's up, buddy? You mind holding him while I pull this off his neck?
Sure.
Thanks.
Copy.
Ooh, that's tight. That's tight.
I'll fix it, dude. I'll fix it, dude. I want to get the gun off
Ooh,
of you, all
shit,
right?
that's tight.
Go ahead, sir.
Oh, fuck.
Clear the house. You don't have to hold the air.
Copy.
That's not right there.
The green one?
Yeah. Right there.
You just keep it with the other stuff.
You see how it's just a half a pill?
Is that your medication, Jim? Your meds?
You got a way for you, for the one right.
All these singles?
No, that's not us, man.
Yeah, I'll count your money. I'm gonna sit underneath your cell phone so you don't blow up. All right, guy. Let's come back here and have a seat for a moment. Just keep that nice.
I'm gonna have fun. I was working good. So I ain't nothing.
I'm just a little scared about your turn.
101.
If I was gonna run, I would have ran just like him. I was not gonna run.
But you got a lot of shit on you.
Victor, you can send
You
it
gotta
to
slip out of
17
those shoes. No. You can leave them on, man. No. Just double checking, dude. So you're gonna take a ride today. I hope you probably kind of figured that. So, Did you got anything else on you tucked in your nutsack, up the butt, anything like that? Okay. If you take it into a jail facility or into our headquarters, another felony. I don't want you stacking them on yourself. So I'm gonna have you just hang tight for a minute. I'm gonna go clear that gun. And give us a minute.
494.
194.
I don't know what the other guy had on him, but he ran. This one didn't.
He was a distraction.
Yeah, he probably was just gonna fucking hang out and watch us run, but I was like,
Yeah.
other dude ran and he was looking for a place to run, so I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna snatch him.
Cool. Alright, so it's a hybrid fucking gun because it's a Glock fucking slide, but that don't look like a Glock fucking.
It's got a Glock sight on it.
Well, but I'm saying that the.
Oh, the frame is different.
Yeah, it's like that safe.
We're not worried about DNA or anything on this guy.
Yep.
It's hanging on him.
Copy that, round. 9102, I'll check the 34B on Greenhaven.
Yeah.
I
Frank
copy
George 042701.
Frank George 042701.
Alright.
There's no make on the lower portion. Oh, it's a Palmetto. It's a Palmetto lower.
Palmetto. PL. And then on us, the barrel, do we have a number on it?
It's a Glock 23 barrel, 40 cal. How you doing?
Good man, good.
Yeah, there's no, I think it's usually on this side.
Yeah, not it's on there anymore.
No, there's nothing on.
Boom.
Paper bag.
Big bags.
Yeah, I got some in the back there. If you don't mind hanging out with that for a minute, I'll grab some bags. You're gonna have to give us a minute. I'm sorry. I got a mess on my hood.